that guy sitting on the tree over there stabbed her. She just stabbed her.
That guy stabbed her?
Yes.
Did you guys see it?
No, but that lady, I just pulled up and she was bleeding, so I kind of tried to grab whatever in my first aid kit, but you can talk to her. But we pointed out that guy.
They're saying it's this guy right over here is what they're saying.
That dude?
I just seen her about, I went to go to the bathroom and I came back.
You guys saw, she said that guy did it?
That's what she said.
Okay. Alright, well, let's go find him.
Myself, 916, you're going to be easy.
Hey, he's got the knife in his hand.
Making it stop.
Yo! Put the knife down!
Pioneer Park, just
Put it down!
south of the location on 3rd.
Put the knife down!
Copy.
Taser.
Easy.
Put the knife down! Stop! Put the knife down now! Put it down! Drop the knife! Drop it! Put the knife down! Let it go, man! Come on, I want to help you! We want to help you! Put the knife down!
Channel 3 restricted, shots fired 848.
Come on, man. Hey, come on. Come on, man, we want to help. Where you hit? Come on, man, we want to help. Where you hit, buddy? Come on, man. Oh, fuck. Did you hear it? Huh? He's hit. I heard him breathing. Hey, come on, man. Where you hit, dude? Tell us where you're at. Come on, I want to help you. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy, please help. Do you want to move that knife just a little bit more? Come on, buddy, please. I want to help you. Can you hear me? Come on. Come on, buddy, I want to help you. You okay? Sir, please talk to me.
Start medical.
Come on, buddy.
40 years old, I'm guessing. Barely conscious.
Hey! He won't respond. I've been trying to get him to respond.
So before I was there, officers on the north side of Pioneer Park, just off of it, going headed south for a 40-year-old male.
You okay? There you go, buddy. Come on, breathe.
See that shirt off, man. He's acting
Those are my cuffs right there.
Who's that? There they go.
You good? It's right here. Knife's here.
Copy.